Monument Valley, nature's timeless masterpiece. Hi, explorers. Welcome to Whimsical World Wanderers. Today we're exploring Monument Valley, an awe-inspiring landscape straddling the borders of Arizona and Utah. Known for its towering sandstone formations and vast desert vistas, Monument Valley is a symbol of the American West. Let's take a journey through its fascinating history, cultural significance, and timeless beauty. Monument Valley is part of the Colorado Plateau, located within the Navajo Nation Reservation. Spanning over 92,000 acres, the valley's most famous area, Monument Valley Navajo Tribal Park, is home to iconic sandstone buttes that rise as high as 1,000 feet. This dramatic landscape has become synonymous with the American Southwest. History and cultural significance. For centuries, Monument Valley has been a sacred home to the Diné, or Navajo people. Before them, the ancestral Puebloans thrived here, leaving behind ruins and petroglyphs that hint at their mysterious past. The Navajo Nation, which governs the area today, considers this land spiritually significant. To the Diné, the towering formations are natural monuments of their cultural heritage. Each formation holds a name and a story. For example, the Mittens Buttes resemble hands reaching skyward, symbolizing spiritual connections. These stories are passed down through generations, enriching the valley's cultural tapestry. The science behind the mesas and buttes. The stunning mesas and buttes of Monument Valley are the result of millions of years of geological transformations. Around 250 to 300 million years ago, this region was covered by an ancient sea. Layers of sediment, sand, silt, and clay, were deposited over time, eventually compressing into sandstone and shale. The red coloration comes from iron oxide, while other minerals add hints of yellow and purple. Over millions of years, tectonic uplift raised the land, and natural forces like wind and water erosion began sculpting the formations we see today. The harder rock layers, like the capstones, resisted erosion, while softer layers were worn away, leaving behind the iconic mesas and buttes. These formations are estimated to be between 190 and 200 million years old, making them a window into Earth's distant past. Their unique shapes are a testament to the power of nature's slow but persistent forces. Legends and mystical tales. Monument Valley is steeped in legend. According to Navajo tradition, these formations were created by the holy people, spiritual beings who shaped the land to teach the Navajo important lessons. Many locals share tales of skinwalkers, mysterious shape-shifting figures said to roam the desert at night. Whether folklore or fact, these stories add an air of mystique to the valley. Hollywood's backdrop. Monument Valley's striking beauty has made it a favorite filming location for Hollywood. It's most famously featured in John Ford's classic westerns, such as Stagecoach, 1939, and The Searchers, 1956, starring John Wayne. More recently, the valley has appeared in movies like Disney's The Lone Ranger, Forrest Gump, and Transformers, Age of Extinction, as well as commercials and music videos. In fact, the spot where Forrest Gump decided to end his cross-country run is now a popular photo stop for visitors. Wildlife in Monument Valley. Monument Valley is not just a haven for breathtaking landscapes, but also a habitat for a variety of wildlife adapted to its arid environment. Birds like hawks, eagles, and ravens are commonly seen gliding over the valley's open skies. Smaller species such as hummingbirds and sparrows find refuge among the vegetation. Mammals like coyotes, bighorn sheep, mule deer, foxes, and jackrabbits call this region home. It's not uncommon to spot wild horses roaming the valley, a testament to its untamed spirit. Reptiles such as desert lizards and snakes are also well adapted to the heat and sparse vegetation. These animals, though often elusive, are an integral part of the ecosystem, surviving in harmony with the rugged beauty of Monument Valley. Places of interest. Monument Valley is home to several must-see landmarks. The Mittens and Merrick Butte are perhaps the most iconic. The Totem Pole, a slender spire of rock, showcases nature's artistry. Brigham's tomb is named after Brigham Young, the first governor of the Utah Territory. For a deeper experience, take a guided tour to explore hidden gems like Ear of the Wind Arch or Mystery Valley, areas accessible only with Navajo guides. Each year, over 300,000 visitors come to Monument Valley to experience its breathtaking scenery and rich culture. The 17-mile Valley Drive offers a self-guided route through some of the park's most famous sites. For a more immersive adventure, Navajo-led tours provide insights into the land's history and significance. Don't miss the chance to try traditional Navajo dishes or purchase handmade jewelry and crafts as souvenirs. Protecting the Valley. As a protected tribal park, Monument Valley is managed by the Navajo Nation, ensuring its preservation for future generations. Visitors are encouraged to tread lightly, respecting both the land and the people who call it home. Monument Valley is more than just a destination. It's a place where nature, history, and culture converge, leaving an indelible mark on all who visit. Whether you come to explore, reflect, or simply marvel at its beauty, Monument Valley will stay with you forever. I hope you enjoyed exploring the heart of the American Southwest, Monument Valley. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Thanks for watching.